हाँ चलो ठीक है, let us start. Yes, definitely the video will be said. Now a into a is my head. A is my head. Now a is multiplied how many times? A is multiplied 3 times. So a into a. So a is my head. So a is multiplied 3 times. So this number of times is nothing but my power. Or you can say it is a cap. So my cap is 3. So now you have to place a cap over the head. So I will write a into a. This part should not be written. This part should not be written. A into a. My head is a. So head I have written. Now what is the cap? How many times it is multiplied? Yes, no problem. Even if you have written, no problem. A into a. How many times a is multiplied? 3 times. So my cap is 3. So that becomes a raised to 3. A to the power 3. My head is a and that cap is 3. That cap is nothing but your power or exponent. 3 is my power or exponent or number of times it is multiplied. So writing in the exponential form is just like placing is just like placing a cap over the head. Placing a cap over the head. Writing in the बोलो right. See my dear, let us start 9.2. Things will be clear. First question is A. Let us start with A. First question. X into x into x. X into x into x into x into x into x. So x. X is multiplied how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is 6 times. It is 6 times. So what is my head? What is my head? Head is my x. Head is my x. And what is my cap? Cap is number of times. No, x into x into x into x. It is cross means multiplication. Cross means multiplication. So x into x into x into x into x into x. How many times x is multiplied? 6. So my cap is 6. So the answer will be x into x into x. X into x into x 6 times. Yes. So my head is x and cap is 6. So that is answer is x raised to 6. Head raised to cap. Cap over head. Cap over head means writing that in the exponential form. Write down this. So x into x into x, it is yes. Let me explain. X into x into x into x into x into x. So my head is variable x. Now x is multiplied how many times? 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my cap will be 6. That cap is nothing but your power or exponent. So now the simple procedure is place a cap over the head. My head is x and place a cap 6 over that. That becomes x raised to 6. That is the answer. Yes. That number of times in the power, yes. Number of times will be treated as your power or cap. Number of times will be treated as your power or cap. Then second thing is there, for different person there will be different cap, yes or no? Is the same, yes, for different person there will be different cap. So whenever there are different variable, you have to place the cap over each variable separately. You cannot place the same cap over different person. Still you are having that problem that you see. Now B 2 into A 2 into A into A 2 into A into A into B into B into C, B into B into B 3 times, then C. So 2 into A into A into B into B into B into C. Correct? Now let us see. My 2 is a number, so 2 I will write as it is. Now what are the head? See here. Head A, B and C. They are the head. So my head is, there are 3 heads. A, B, C. They are the head. No, I have not written anything. Then for A, what is the cap? A is multiplied how many times? 2 times. So for A, the cap is 2. B is multiplied how many times? 3 times. So for B, the cap is 3. C is multiplied how many times? 1 time. For C, the cap is 1. We have to find out the cap for each head. A is a head, B is a head, C is a head. A is multiplied 2 times. So for A, the cap is 2. For B is multiplied 3 times. For B, the cap is 3. C is multiplied once. For 2 there is no cap, because 2 is a number and 2 is multiplied once. Correct? So 2 is multiplied once. So if you want, you can write down head as 2 also, no problem. So this I can write 2 as it is 2. Then I will write down A. What is the cap of A? A is multiplied 2 times. So A raised to 2. Then B is multiplied how many times? 3. For B, the cap is 3. C is multiplied how many times? 1 time. So C raised to 1. C raised to 1 means it is C only. So the answer is 2. Yes. Next step I am not writing. So answer is 2 is A to the power 2, B to the power 3 into C. No, you have to write 2. You have to write 2 because no. You have to write 2 because 2 is there in the given question. No, 2 is there in the given question. So you have to write on 2. 2 is there in the given question. So you have to write down 2. If the number is multiplied more than 1 time, then we find out the cap. Now third, C. It is 5b into 5b into 5b. 5b into 5b into 5b. Yes, what is my head? 5b. What is my head? No, not B. 5b head. 5 is also multiplied, no. So 5b. My head is 5b. Then what is my cap? 5b is multiplied how many times? 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 3. Cap is 3. So final answer will be 5b into 5b into 5b. 5b into 5b into 5b will be head raised to cap. Place a cap over the head. What is my head? Head is 5b. Now place a cap. Cap is 3. So 5b, you write in the bracket to the cap 3. 5b raised to 3. 5b we write in the 5b in the bracket we write because here because here 5b raised to 3 is not equal to 5b raised to whole 3. Both are different. If you do not put the bracket, then your entire calculation becomes wrong. So bracket is must, because that cap is placed over the entire head, no? Yes or no? You have to place a cap 3 over the entire head 5b. Not equal to, because in this 5b raised to 3, the cap 3 is placed over b only, but the cap should be placed over entire head, no? Entire head means you have to keep the bracket. We are keeping the bracket means we are placing the cap 3 over entire head. So head raised to cap. Writing the given number in the 5b 3 times, no? 5b into 5b into 5b 3 times. So my cap is 3. So the cap should be placed over the entire head. What is my entire head? Entire head is 5b. So bracket should be used to keep the entire head. 5b raised to 3. It should not be 5b raised to 3. 5b raised to 3 means you have put the cap over b only. You have not put the cap over entire head 5. Then D. So writing in the exponential form is same as placing a cap over the head. Cap is number of times the given number is multiplied, or cap is same as power, or it is same as exponent. Now D minus 4 into P 3 times P into P into P into P into Q into Q into Q into Q. Correct? So my heads are P and Q. So head is P and Q. Correct? Now we have to find out the cap for each head. Now P is multiplied how many times? 3 times. So for P the cap is 3. Q is multiplied how many times? Q into 3 times. For Q the cap is 3. So now I will write down the answer. So that will be minus 4 into P into P into P into Q into Q into Q. Answer will be minus 4. I will write as it is. Minus 4. Then head. No, minus 4 I am writing as it is. Minus 4. That number minus 4 I will write as it is. Then the head. Minus 4 I am writing, no, minus 4. Minus 4 you carry as it is. Then my head is P. For P, what is the cap? P is multiplied how many times? 3 times. So that 3 will go in the cap. Then into Q. For Q, what is the cap? Q is multiplied 3 times. So they raised to 3. So the answer is minus 4 into P raised to 3 into Q raised to 3. Minus 4 P raised. That used to be the setting of your device. Or I have to come to your place to change the setting. Then E minus R into minus R into minus R into minus R. Minus R into minus R into minus R into minus R. Minus R into minus R into minus R into minus R. What is my head? No, my dear. Head is not 4. R. Head is minus R. Head is minus R. My head is minus R. Head is minus R. And what is my cap for this? Minus R is multiplied how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. So my cap is 4. Cap is 4. So we write minus r into minus r into minus r into minus r will be minus r head. Place a cap over the head. So cap is 4. You have to place a cap 4 over the head minus r. So minus r raised to cap. Cap is 4. So minus r raised to 4. This is the answer. Minus r raised to 4. This is the answer. Yes. You have to write down the bracket. Whenever bracket is given, you have to write down the bracket. Whenever bracket is given, you have to write down the bracket. Then y into y into y, f y into y into y, y into y into y into dash 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 11 times. Y into y into y into y dash 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 11 times. So what is my head? What is my head? Head is y. And y is multiplied how many times? 11 times. No, my dear. Dash 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 means it is continuation of multiplication up to 11 times. Up to 11 times you will multiply y. So my cap is how many times y is multiplied? 11 times. So 11 times. Now place a cap over the head. Place a cap over the head. So we write y into y into y into dash 11 times. 11 times is equal to head y, cap is 11. So y raised to 11. Answer is y raised to 11. Y to the power 11. So your cap is nothing but it is a power. It is an exponent. And writing in the exponential form is nothing but placing a cap over the head. Placing a cap over the head. Then G is minus C into minus C, minus C into minus C into minus C into minus C up to m times. M can be any number. M times. What is my head? Yes, what is my head? Head is minus C. And what is my cap? Cap क्या है? How many times? M times. G1. Okay. Minus C into minus C into minus C into minus C up to how many times you have multiplied? M times. For example, this M can take any value. M can take any value. It can take value 5 also. So minus C into minus C into minus C 5 times. So M can take any value. So minus C is multiplied M times. So my cap is M. My cap is M. So what is the answer? No, my dear, you cannot keep the cap 4 times because it is written up to M times. No, up to M times. Up to M times. If minus C is multiplied 4 times, then only you can take the cap as 4. So answer will be minus C raised to M. Minus C to the power M. This is the answer. Minus C. No problem. You can write y up to 11 times. But here M can take any value. So that M will remain M only. So my cap is M. So what is the first question? Writing in the exponential form. Writing in the exponential form means placing a cap over the head. Placing a cap over the head. My head is power or exponent. My head is the term or variable, and cap is, it is the power or exponent or number of times it is multiplied. Cap, number of times the given number is multiplied, that will go in the cap, and whichever variable is given, that will go in the head. So writing in the exponential form is just like placing a cap over the head. Placing a cap over the head. So writing in the exponential form is just like placing a cap over the head. Is just like placing a cap over the head. Now second, write the following in the product form. Second, write the following in the product form. Product means multiplication form. Write the following in product form. Product means multiplication. Product means multiplication. Write the following in the product form. First A, it is 7Z. It is 7Z. What do you mean by 7Z? You have to write down that in the product form. Very good. So that will be 7, then multiplication Z. So this is the product form. Product form is you have to write down that in the multiplication form. Then B, it is 1 minute. 3 upon 5 into A B raised to 5. 3 upon 5 into A B raised to 5. So what I will do, see, I will write 3 upon 5. Then what is the cap of A? Tell me. No, what is the cap of A? I am asking. A. अरे cap of A क्या है? Cap of A क्या है? 1 है. No cap means 1 cap. No cap means 1 cap. So I will write 3 by 5 into A. Then B, what is the cap of B? 5. So if the cap of B is 5, means you have to multiply B 5 times. So we write B into B into B 5 times because the cap is 5. The cap is 5. So you have to multiply B 5 times. So this is the answer. 3 by 5 into A into B into B into B into B into B 5 times. So power product form. We have used the multiplication, that means it is in the product form. So whatever is the cap, that number of times I have to multiply the head. Whatever is my cap, that number of times I have to multiply the head in the product form. In the product form. So what was question number 1? It was placing a cap over the head. Now question number 2 is removing the cap from the head. Removing the cap from the head. So my cap is 5. That cap I have removed by multiplying B 5 times. Is it clear? Question number 2 is removing the cap from the head. C is x square y z cube. X square y z cube. X square y z cube. What are my heads? हेड क्या है इस पे? हेड्स आर वेट अरे एक मिनट रुको. Heads are x, y, z. Now writing them in the product form is same as removing the cap from the head. Removing the cap from the head. Writing them in the product form is just like removing the cap from the head. So what my head is x. What is my cap? 2. Means you have to multiply x 2 times. Then what is the cap of y? There is no cap, means 1 cap. So we write 1. Y. Then my head is z. What is the cap of z? 3. So now we remove the cap 3. So I will multiply z 3 times. Z into z into z. So this is the answer. X into x into y into z into z into z. So question number 2 is just like removing the cap from the head. whenever we remove the cap from the head, we write down that in the product form. Question number 1 was writing in the exponential form. Writing in the exponential form is just like placing a cap over the head. Question number 2 is removing the cap from the head. Then D minus b raised to 7. Minus b raised to 7. What is my head? Head क्या है? Minus b. What is cap? 7. So now remove the cap. Remove the cap 7 means you multiply minus b 7 times. So minus b bracket into minus b bracket into minus b into minus b into minus b 7 times you have to multiply into minus b into minus b. So 7 times I am multiplying minus b. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is the answer. Minus b into minus b into minus b into minus b into minus b up to 7 times. So this is just. Yes, madam. Yes, madam. Yes, madam. No problem. No problem. Thank you. Now E. See, 2 minutes are left. So there should not be any hurry. So question number 2 is just like removing the cap from the head. Then E, do it fast. E minus 5 p raised to 3 into Q, wait, 2 minutes are there. Q raised to 2 into R. So that is minus 5 into what is my head? P. What is cap? 3. So P into P into P 3 times. Then what is my head? Q. What is cap? 2. So Q 2 times Q into Q. Then what is my head? R. What is cap? 1. So once I will multiply R. So this is the answer. Minus 5 into P into P into P 3 times Q into Q 2 times then into R. Then F 7Z. 7 into Z. F 4p raised to 7 into z. 4p raised to 2. What is my head? Tell me, what is my head? No, not p, not p. अरे ब्रैकेट है 4p is my head. ब्रैकेट में जो भी आएगा टर्म दैट विल बी योर एंटायर हेड रेज टू कैप 2. एंटायर हेड 4p रेज टू कैप 2. So this will be entire head 4p into 4p 2 times. 4p into 4p 2 times. Then G, wait no my dear, minus r raised to 30. Minus r raised to 30. Bolo, yes. What is this? What is my head? Minus r. What is my cap? 30. So what I will write? Minus r into minus r. We write few terms into minus r. Then after writing 3 terms, we write dash 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 dash, and then we write 30 times. 30 times. This is the answer. After writing few terms, we put a dash because we cannot write up to 30. So we put a dash. Dash means continuation up to 30 times. Minus r raised to 30 means minus r into minus r into minus r into minus r up to 30 times. So question number 2 is writing that in the product form. Like this only you have to write in the exam. Yes. Now we stop here. So write